So guys, so this is Cody, and today I will be showing you how to download Visual Studio, and this is going to be from our C++ series, okay? So first, go to Google, look up Visual Studio, and this is the Visual Studio IDE. There is something called Visual Studio Code, and Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio are two different things. So once you go to something like this, you want to navigate to download Visual Studio and navigate to the Community 2019 edition. Or maybe you're watching this in 2021. Who knows? Um, But yeah, just download whatever edition is out for you. This is my second time recording this video. Alright, so I'll be showing you how to set up C++ on Visual Studio, or how to install it on Visual Studio along with Visual Studio. So while I wait for this, I'm just going to sit here and tell you what I plan to do with this series. So what I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to make a C++ series, and I'm wanting to do a lot of stuff about teaching people how to program and code on this channel. So the first video I will be uploading is a video on how to install Visual Studio, which is pretty funny, I guess. I don't know why I think it's pretty funny, but yeah. So then after that, I'll begin doing videos on how to code C++ and so on. While we wait, I'm just sitting here. Alright, cool. So this is the part that's going to take a while though. So what we want to do is we want to check this desktop development with C++ and make sure these are checked and we should be good. We don't really need anything else. You can check other stuff if maybe you want to code .NET, C#, or Python, up to you. But this is all I want to do is code with C++, so I'm going to install this. And while I wait for this, I'm going to pause the video, okay? I'll be back when it's finished. Alright, sweet, it finished. Okay, so launch Visual Studio now. It's launching. Sweet. So something else I'm going to go over is how to install a Visual Studio theme. Let's just get set up. So the theme that we'll be installing is VS Dracula, because I love VS Dracula. Looks so clean. I want to specify Visual Studio Dracula. Yeah, so I think it looks really nice, amazingly clean. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to set this up too. Not now, maybe later. You should sign into your account. I'm just not signing into my account because this is set up on a virtual machine. Once I finish showing you guys how to install it, I'm tossing it away, and then I'm going to go back to using my actual computer. So while we get that, we are going to download this. So all these links will be in the description as well. So I just went back on that so you had the link, by the way. Nothing special. So you want to find this, install manually, and you want to download it. Download using GitHub zip, download, open. And the file we need from this is just dracula.vs settings. That's all we need. So you have Visual Studio installed. Now, so I can set this Dracula up, I'm going to make a new test template, not template, but project. In the next video, I'll go over how to set up a project and all that. I'm just doing this really quick so I can set up Dracula. So to begin setting up Dracula, the theme, what you want to do is, I'm just going to create this thing real quick so I can look at it. Load. So you want to go to import and export settings, export. Now, if you export, you can basically save your settings right now. So you can save how it looks and all that. But I mean, I don't really care about how it looks. I'm just going to go straight to import, okay? But if you did export, you'd be exporting something just like this. It'd be a .vs settings file, and you would just put that somewhere where you want to keep it safe. And then if you ever want to go back, you can just import that. But I'm just going to go straight to Dracula. So import, and then you need to find the file. So No, just import new settings, overriding my current settings. Yes. Now we need to find it. So I'm going to go to browse, desktop, and then wherever I put it. There we go. Next. Yep, next. Finish. And then bam. Now we have a theme set up. And I love it. Alright, cool. So that was a video on how to install Visual Studio. If you liked it, leave a comment, maybe like, maybe, I don't know, you might want to. And then also subscribe, and I will be doing more videos on C++ and other stuff relating to programming. It's something I love to teach, and it also helps me get better at it because as I teach you guys, I have to know what I'm talking about, so I always go and double check what I'm saying. So it definitely helps me. I'll also have a Discord in the description if maybe you need some help, maybe you ran into a problem. You can easily just pop into this Discord that I'll have and ask someone a question if you don't know what's going on. Thanks for watching and see ya.